Hi everyone, in today's video here at Markets of Sunshine, we are still working on organizing the craft room. And I am so happy that I have cleared off the card table that was here in this space, put everything away, and now I am ready to tackle that satchel of laces and trims that was gifted to me. So I wanted to give just a few tips on when is the best time to organize and tidy up or declutter, and it's when it's the right time for you. So what my schedule might be and what my energy level might be is completely different than what yours is going to be. And so those are the two main things that you need to start thinking about when you're going to organize or declutter is when is the right time for you, time of day, time of the week, day of the week, month, the season even, or your energy level. So this should be something that we do when we have a positive focus and when our energy level is at least at a medium range. You don't want to be way down here feeling energy and then think you're going to tackle your, decluttering or organizing. That's usually when it doesn't happen. But if you can get to where your energy level, whether it's the morning, midday, don't wait till late in the day because your energies will naturally drop. So, and then maybe other people have high energy in the mornings or midday. So this is where you want to be. You either want to be in the middle or high range, but don't do it when you're really in the low range. Listen to your body, which is what I have always done. And now I'm finally in the mindset of being in a place where I'm ready to tackle the little bit of organizing. So it was just a little bit here, a little bit there. The craft room, I really like to be able to come in here and have the space be open and flowing. So let me show you what I'm talking about so that you can understand and visualize what I'm saying. Okay, so walking into my craft room, this is the only floor space that I have available. So it's not a real big space. And then coming in through the doorway is your typical standard bedroom doorway opening. I wish it was a double door like my bedroom, but it isn't. And now this area I want to show you. That desk is going. That bookcase is going to go. And more than likely, this table is going to go. I'm not sure. I might keep this table. I do like the height, but it is not going to stay in front of the window there. And then this unit is going to be moved over here to where the sewing table is now. So because it's narrow enough so that when I come in through the door, it can't be too far out. Otherwise, then I would run into this little cabinet, and then that would mean that cabinet would have to move, which it may move depending on how I reorganize it. So my husband is going to build me out of plywood, and he's going to build me I don't know if I showed you my countertops in the kitchen. So he built new countertops in the kitchen, put Formica. So that's what we're going to do in here. I don't want it just stained wood. I want the Formica because you can wipe it easily if glue or paint or whatever gets on it. It's no big deal. So that little unit is going to go here. And then wherever it stops, I may put the little rolling cart in the middle, is what I'm thinking. And then have an L shape. So it's going to be a corner desk here, and then all in front of the window, and then all the way down here, and it will probably stop maybe like right here at this point, and then the other rolling cart will go on the other end here. So that's my plan of action. So the table will stop here, the little rolling cart will fit here, that will open up this corner, and then all of the little 31 tote bags with fabrics and laces are going to be reorganized. My whole closet will be reorganized, and I will be doing it shelf by shelf. So we'll do it together, shelf by shelf, and that is behind my rolling bookcase. So this is my rolling bookcase, and then the closet is back here. Okay, so we're going to start with the top shelf, and everything except for what's right there, that's my card making kits. But everything else on that top shelf is coming down. Whatever I don't want, whatever I don't need, whatever is not being used all the time will go to donations or other friends. And then we'll do the second shelf together. The same process, shelf by shelf. All my papers, I'm either going to buy or my husband's going to build me a 12 by 12 paper holder, and then I'll do that bottom shelf, and then the bottom on the floor are all the totes, which will stay there in the big containers. And this is the Anna Griffin. I wish she would have had more of this style, but she has, I don't know if she has any more of those. I'll have to look on Home Shopping Network. I wanted it to all match, and I think all she had left was florals, and it didn't go with my color theme, so that's why I didn't buy any more. But he can build me one easily. He has the skills and the materials, so I think I might do that. And I do like these clear containers so that you can see everything. So that's the game plan, and I just wanted to show you that I got that taken care of. And then also I am going to be doing a giveaway. So everyone who comments on this video, who likes the video, who's subscribed to my channel, and has a USA mailing address, or Puerto Rico, Alaska, Hawaii, any of those that the U.S. is still considered within their postal pricing, can qualify to enter this giveaway. And it's going to be wool felt, it's organic, and a Stampin' Up! Brand new rubber stamp set. And you just need the wood block backing to put those on. So that's going to be a giveaway that I'm doing, and it's kind of like a pop-up surprise giveaway, and only if you watch the video will you know about it. And that is because I'm doing it for my 1,000 subscribers giveaway. Nobody qualified for that giveaway, and so to make up for that, I just want to do a giveaway, and that's what you need to do to enter. So thank you for joining me, and I will be working in the next video on putting the lace away. But I did want to show you the before and after pictures and let you see that everything has turned out well, and I'm really happy to now have this, I don't know, what is it, like 6 by 6 space of floor space again in my craft room. And then once I get that L-shaped table in here, oh, what a difference that's going to make. So my sewing is going to be here, and I still will do the crafting here because I love being able to look out the window when I have the curtain open. And then this corner will be for storage, and then everything on that bookcase is going to come off, so that's going to be an undertaking. But again, shelf by shelf, space by space, section by section, I will do it with you together. So budgeting my energy and being smart with my energy levels before I tackle a organizing or decluttering project. And we're coming into the fall time of the year and the winter, and our bodies go into a downshift. I learned this in Oriental medicine when I was going to doctors for my Lyme disease, and season by season your body goes through different shifts and changes in your energy as well during those seasons. So we really don't want to get too revved up right now doing a lot of decluttering and organizing unless you have the energy for it. But if your body is telling you, oh, you feel sluggish, I really don't feel like doing this, then listen to your body and plan it for the spring or a day when you do have more energy. All right, so thank you for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing comments and likes and people subscribing. And if you're already a subscriber, you can enter the giveaway. And I will be announcing the winner next week. Today is Wednesday. I think it's September 6th. I didn't look on the calendar to know for sure. And I will announce the winner next week, probably Monday or Tuesday. And that's it. So thank you for joining me here today. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.